Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Laudermilk Outdoors. But today we're indoors and I'm going to show you how to install these bed stiffeners on the Tacoma. So this right here is the bed stiffener, and what it does is help support the sidewall of your truck bed whenever you install rooftop tents or you carry stuff on top of the Diamondback. Cali raised. This is exactly what comes in the box. Driver's side bracket, bag of nuts and bolts and washers, passenger side bracket. That's everything that comes in the box. No instructions. So I've pre-installed this side, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this side. And here's all the tools we need. So it comes with bolts, washers, and nuts. These are 9/16 nuts. These are 3/8 bolts. And what you need is a 7/32 Allen key, fits that bolt. You need a pilot drill and a 3/8 drill bit for clearance, a 9/16 wrench and a socket, a 10mm socket. You need a T55 star bit or a Torx bit, and then you need a T40 Torx bit. Alright, so the first step in this process is removing the tail light assembly. You only need to take out this bolt and this bolt. So what you need is a 10mm socket and a ratchet, but I'm going to use this drill. That's one. That's two. And then you got to kind of pull this out because there's 4 tabs that hold it in. And if you do it for the first time, you feel like you're going to break it. It's kind of scary, but grab it at the bottom and at the top. And pull it out. So you've got this tab, that tab, and that tab, which is the reason it's so hard to get out. Alright, so once you have the tail light removed, the very next step is to remove these 2 bolts out of the truck bed. And that is going to be the T40 and the T55. If you're doing this for the first time, these are extremely tight to get off. Alright, got that bolt out. Take that with it. Well, that doesn't matter, but alright, we got that out. Take the bracket, put the bracket back here. So that's how it installs. So it's got this little lip right here, catches this corner. 2 holes line up where you just took those bolts out. Drop the bolts back in and just kind of snug those up. Just to kind of help hold the bracket. Now, well, I'll just take this clamp, which you don't have to do this, but I kind of clamp on the very top edge of this where I can still get to the hole. Just kind of snug that up, and then make sure this is flush with that. To do this the right way, you would get a transfer punch, put it in here, hit it with a hammer, and mark your holes, take the bracket back off, and then drill your holes. And you would drill a pilot, and then your 3/8 clearance for the bolt. I don't have a transfer punch, so I'm just going to eyeball it and do the best I can. Leave the bracket on and drill the holes. Alright, we got our pilot drill bit. Put that on the drill mark. Once you got your pilots drilled, take that bit out, put the 3/8 in, and you can kind of check this. Yep, it'll be good. Got all the holes drilled. We will take all of this back off and vacuum chips up. And we can go ahead and start bolting this guy up. Start by hand tightening these back in. Alright, so the way these bolt up, you have a bolt, washer that goes in, and on the back side you'll have a washer and a nut. You'll have two holes that are very accessible and then two that are going to be behind this bracket. And we'll just get everything hand tight before we tighten anything, so all of the bolts actually line up, hopefully. Alright, so on the back side you will need a 9/16 and also a 9/16 spanner and a 7/32 Allen. We'll take a 7/32 socket in this. So the top two bolts are behind this bracket, so you're gonna kind of have to fish in here to get them started. And we'll go ahead and get this one tight. Okay, now we have this backside bolt left, and we'll have to fish this in. You really can't see the bolt up in there, so you kind of have to go by feel and just sort of tighten this to get it started. All right, once you have it started, put this on the back. All right, so now you've got the 3 bolts in the front tight and the one on the back side tight. Go ahead and tighten these 2 back down. T55 for the big bolt. And you have your T40 for the smaller bolt. So at this point you have your bracket installed. All that's left is to put the tail light back in. For the tail light, remember that you got the 4 tabs, so you need to sort of line those up. Press them in. And you've got these 2 bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. And you don't want to over tighten these because you're threading into plastic. You don't want to strip that out. That's a 10mm. A little past hand tight. Alright guys, that's all we've got. We've got the tail light put back in, the bracket installed, everything is tight, both sides. Alright guys, catch y'all next time.